Credit and capital strategies. Build credit. Unlock capital. Create opportunity. Credit is more than a score. Capital is more than money. When used with strategy, they create opportunity. Many people work hard but struggle with poor credit or limited access to capital. Not because they lack potential, but because they lack the right strategy. At Credit and Capital Strategies, we help individuals and businesses build strong credit, access capital, and position themselves for long-term growth. From personal credit improvement to business funding, our focus is education, preparation, and smart financial positioning. Build smarter. Access capital with purpose. Create opportunity with confidence. Credit and Capital Strategies, where credit meets strategy. Follow us for tips on credit, funding, and financial growth. Subscribe, share, and like.